morning, class. Our lesson for today is about idioms body parts category. Ano nga uli yung idioms? Ang idioms are words, phrases, or expressions that are not interpreted literally. The best way to understand an idiom is to see it in context, not literal. Two-faced. Hindi yan dalawang mukha. Ang ibig sabihin ng two-faced ay someone deceitful or insincere. Okay? Iba pag nakaharap sa'yo, iba rin ang sinasabi pag nakatalikod sa'yo. Halimbawa, Barbie is the most two-faced woman I've ever met. Next, take the words out of somebody's mouth. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay to say exactly what someone else was going to say. Halimbawa, you took the words right out of my mouth, Mary. Sunod ay catch somebody's eye. Ang ibig sabihin ng catch somebody's eye is someone you find attractive. Halimbawa, when I was walking today, the shiny car caught my eye. Take note that caught is the past tense of catch. Next is all ears. All ears means you are listening very attentively. Example, kids in my class were all ears when I was telling them the story. Next idiom. Turn up one's nose at something. Turn up one's nose at something means you reject because you think it is not good enough for you. Example, I offered John some food, but he turned its nose up and walked away. Next is a pain in the neck. A pain in the neck means a person who is very irritating or annoying. Example, one of my friend is a real pain in the neck. Next is to get cold feet. To get cold feet means you are no longer sure whether you want to do it or not. O kaya nagdadalawang isip ka na. Example, I was going to try bungee jumping, but I got cold feet. Sunod ay foot the bill. Foot the bill means to pay for something very expensive. Halimbawa, his parents can't afford to foot the bill for his favorite toy. Keep someone on their toes. It means make them stay alert and ready for action at any time. Example, he keeps changing the rules just to keep us on our toes. Sunod ay, give somebody the cold shoulder. Give somebody the cold shoulder means to ignore or shun someone. O wag mong pansinin. Example, he gave me the cold shoulder at the party. He didn't talk to me at all. Pull someone's leg. Pull someone's legs means to tease or joke or prank someone. Example, I love pulling my sister's leg. It's almost too easy to annoy her. Thank you very much for listening and God bless you. See you again next time.